Hi, Kisa. I think you remember my friend Teddy. Teddy is here to teach us about what noises animals make. I think you already know, so let's see if you can tell me before Teddy does. Alright, Kisa, what noise does a tiger make? Alright, Teddy, what noise does a tiger make? I don't know about that. It was alright, not very good. Alright, Kisa, what noise does a giraffe make? Alright, Mr. Teddy Bear, what do you think the noise that a giraffe makes? That sounds pretty good. I like that one. Alright, Kisa, what noise does a dragon make? Alright, Mr. Teddy Bear, what noise does a dragon make? Arrgh! Good job, Mr. Teddy Bear. That was kind of scary. What else does the dragon do? Does it fly around like a ladybug? Zzz. That's very good. Alright, Kisa, how about what noise does an Auntie Becca make? What do you think, Mr. Teddy Bear? What noise does an Auntie Becca make? I don't know. I don't know either. Let's see. Hello, Mr. Teddy Bear. Hello. I love you this much. Mwah. I think that's the noise that an Auntie Becca makes. Can you say it too? Alright, now it's Mr. Teddy Bear's turn. I love you this much. Mwah. Good job, Mr. Teddy Bear. I think that's good enough for now. Keep on practicing your animal noises and your Cookie Monster noises. I like it when you do your Cookie Monster. And don't forget, choo choo, the noise that a train makes. Can you do that for me? Good job. Can you say, yay, Kisa? Yay, Kisa! Woo! I love you, Kisa. Bye-bye.